Krishna Chakravarti Pad, he speaks in his commentary here in verse 40. We can read that. So this is, again, another, because every moment the lila is happening, and every yuga, every day of Brahma, the lila is happening in newer and newer ways. No one likes to do the same thing all the time. And sometimes Krishna arranges where you even get a little variety. Every day you brush your teeth with your right hand. And one day you break your right hand, you have to brush with your left hand. Then you see how awkward it is, how difficult. So there's a variety in the activities. So Krishna's leelas are always different. You read Harivamsha Purana, they explain Krishna's Braja Leela in one way. You read Skanda Purana in another way. You read Vishnu Purana in another way. You read the Bhagavad Purana, same Braja Leelas, in a slightly variation, because Krishna's leelas are coming and appearing and disappearing, manifesting, disappearing, like waves on the ocean. Can you count how many waves there are on the ocean coming? So now we're going to go to another universe with the same pastime, the same Ras Leela in chapter 29. And Vishwanath is there, eyewitness in that universe, and he hears the conversation going like this, and he's recorded that conversation on his iPhone. And hello, everyone woke up. Oh yeah, it reminds me. Let me look at my iPhone. So then he's revealing it to us. Krishna said, "Since you have given up as dead, since you have given up something's dead, you kind of burn it up and go about your way. Since you have given up as dead the path of duty, Aricharita," which is in the verse, "what effect will your behavior have on other women who are faithful to their husbands? You will corrupt those moral religious women by the logic of the statement, a shameless person contaminates not only himself, but everyone else he contacts. On seeing this splendid golden line, which appears by chance on my chest, you insulted Lakshmi herself, who is the most excellent of chaste women. Why are you offending Lakshmi Devi?" Because earlier they were talking about the golden line. The gopis say, "We're not blaming Lakshmi Devi at all for the golden line. Rather, it is you who have been sent by the Creator to destroy religious principles throughout the three worlds." That's why Jiva Goswami Pad and Vishwanath say, and he steps out of the Leela now, the gopis are speaking this verse with anger, Jiva Goswami said. But Vishwanath Chakravarti added something. The gopis are speaking this verse with angry naughtiness. Now you have to meditate on that. Angry, naughty anger means, I don't know what it means. It means mischievous or anger but not really angry, or accusing but not really accusing.